What's going on, YouTube? So today I am off, and I know I haven't been around a lot because I've been busy, man, and I just been trying to get my mind right, get my body right, spirit right, and the car right, and life just in general, you know what I'm saying? So a lot of things that happened here in the past couple months. But today, man, I'm about to do a POV for y'all, man. I know y'all haven't seen the M in a minute. Actually, I dropped the video the other day, but that wasn't anything too serious. It was really about the wheels that I just painted. But I'm about to actually do a POV driving video. Maybe give y'all a little pull or two up in here too. Car's already warm. I just cleaned her up a little bit. So I'm about to go ahead and get out of here, man. Let's go ahead and do it. See my Accord right there, my bully dog right here, you know what I'm saying? We turned that joint on. Car only got about 95 miles of gas in it. I ain't gonna lie, bro, one thing I have noticed, gas mileage in this joint is not that great, bro. So if y'all want to get one of these, just make sure you're ready for that. Or at least make sure you got a second car on the side, you know what I'm saying? Ever since I dropped my car too, man, I actually had to raise it back up a little bit in the front because I was scraping everything, bro. I'm talking about even the road. Speed bumps were bad because like the side, I guess because of the angle that it's at, but it's usually not that bad for the front itself. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this thing into sport. And see, maybe I can put it in manual mode, because y'all know I got the paddle shifters and everything now. Take my traction off. Damn, thing broke loose, man. This car, like, this shit is amazing. This is an amazing ass car. I'm gonna get on the highway a little bit so I can actually open it up for y'all, man. I know that's what y'all want to see. And I'm sorry if the wind is a little much. I really want y'all to hear the car though. I really want y'all to hear the car. I'm gonna do a couple downshifts. Yeah. Reason I turned my traction off is because, bro, with this car, it cuts the power from the wheels when it starts to spin or when it feels that traction slip. So I gotta have traction off if I really want to like get loose and, you know what I'm saying, like feel what the car really does. If I really want to show y'all what it does, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't want to hide. I don't want to hide the power that this thing got, bruh. I'm gonna take this shit on the highway for a little bit. I ain't gonna go too crazy right here. I told you, bro, this don't take, it takes curves, bruh, but it don't take them the best. been giving this shit full throttle, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm probably, and actually you can see it right here, how much throttle I'm giving. I don't know if y'all can see it right now, but right now I'm only on 14%. But you know what I'm saying? Like the reason I don't give it full throttle is because this shit breaks loose too easy. Love this car, bro. Love this car. Can shoot fire. It's just a matter of getting the right equipment, right tune, and all that stuff to do it. Yeah, you can hear the backfire a little bit right there. Tires warmed up some. Y'all keep it under control. I gotta get over. One pop was kind of loud, I ain't gonna lie. Slide in this traffic real quick. I like those 535s. They got good engines in them. Pretty quick cars too. Let's see. Sounds so good, bro. All right, man. I'm about to cut y'all off, man. But I appreciate y'all for watching. Please, guys, go like, go subscribe. Go shout out the page, man. Make sure I can get to 1,000 subscribers. I need that, man. I need that help from y'all. I appreciate y'all, and I look forward to seeing y'all's feedback, man. I'll check y'all out in the next one. Peace.